Hi everyone, I am Shanmuga Priya of CSC department. I am here to explain about the implementation of perceptron for binary classification. We are here to implement a perceptron for classification using Python. A perceptron is a basic learning algorithm invented in 1959 by Franklin Roosevelt. It is meant to mimic the working logic of a biological neuron. The human brain is basically a collection of many interconnected neurons. Each one receives a set of inputs, applies some sort of computation on them, and propagates the result to the other neurons. A perceptron is an algorithm used for supervised learning of binary classifiers. Given an example, the neuron classifies it by assigning a weight to its features. To accomplish this, as a perceptron undergoes two phases, training and testing. During training phase, weights are initialized to an arbitrary value. Perceptron is then asked to evaluate a sample and compare its decision with the actual class of the sample. If the algorithm chooses the wrong class, weights are adjusted to better match that particular sample. This process is repeated over and over to finally optimize the biases. After the algorithm is ready to be tested again, a new set of completely unknown samples to evaluate if the trained model is generally enough to cope with the real world samples. The important key points to be focused to implement a perceptron models to be trained with a higher number of already classified samples. It is difficult to know a priori this number. A few dozen may be enough in the very simple cases, while the other thousands or more are needed. Data is almost never perfect. A pre-processing phase has to take care of the missing features, uncorrelated data, and as we are going to see soon, scaling. And a threshold function, usually heaviside or fine functions, maps the scalar value to a binary input. T of x equal to sine f of x. This results in positive 1 if the f of x is greater than or equal to 0. Otherwise, it results in minus 1. The steps are importing the libraries and then importing the data set. Then we plot the data to verify the linear separable data set and consider only two classes. Convert the data set to scale the data to uniform range by using feature scaling. Split the dataset for training and testing. Define the input vector x from the training dataset. Define the desired output vector y. Scale it to plus 1 or minus 1 for two classes C1 and C2. Then the for n iterations do the following. Vi equal to Wi into Xi. Wi plus learning rate into Yi minus Ti is the Wi plus I. Then we plot the error for each iteration. Then we print the accuracy. Here, going ahead, we had plotted the show, the epochs, and the error. Then we get the output of the iReads dataset, sepal length and the petal length, and now we have got the accuracy of 100% and the graph of the errors and the epoch. Thus, a single layer perceptron model is implemented using Python to classify iris dataset. Thank you, friends.